Hello friends, welcome to Nalini Ki Rasoi. Today I am going to make one more dessert. The name of the recipe is sizzling brownie with ice cream. Please don't forget to click the subscribe and bell icon button so that you get instant notification of all my upcoming and new recipes. Let's get started and see the ingredients first. 50 grams all-purpose flour, 50 grams melted butter, 50 grams grounded sugar, 50 grams cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons yogurt, 50 ml hot water, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence, half teaspoon baking powder, half bowl of cashew nuts and walnuts. First in a bowl, we'll take melted butter, grounded sugar, yogurt, baking powder, vanilla essence, hot water and mix well. In another bowl, we'll take cocoa powder and all-purpose flour and sieve. Now we will mix cocoa powder and all-purpose flour with the prepared mixture. Now mix it well and make sure there are no lumps. The consistency of the batter should be pouring. Now we will put nuts in it and this batter is ready to bake. Now we will grease the mold and we will put butter paper on it and we will grease it too. Now we will pour the batter in it. Now we will put this mold in preheated cooker in which I have already put salt and star. Now we will bake this for 30 to 40 minutes on medium gas. Now we will remove the gasket and the whistle from lid and close it. Brownie is baked. Now we will remove it. Now heat the sizzler's pan and place a square piece of brownie on the pan. When extremely hot, keep on the wooden tray. Thereafter keep a scoop of vanilla ice cream and pour chocolate syrup over it. Piping hot delicious sizzling brownie is ready to serve. I hope you like this recipe and if you have not already subscribed, don't forget to click the subscribe button on this side, like it and share with your friends and relatives. The link of my other recipes are displayed on this side for you to click and see. Take very good care of yourself and your family. Stay healthy, happy and fit. Thank you for watching Nalini Ki Rasoi.